Yeah, welcome to my tech blog. Just kidding. Welcome to my tech blog. Today I'm comparing two microphones. I got the Fifine. This is $30 on Amazon, and I have the Pop Voice, also also an Amazon Choice microphone. $10 for the Pop Voice mic and $30 for the Fifine mic. So I'm also gonna compare that to just the microphone on these old, yeah, they're a little old. Beats headphones. They're Solo 2s. And then I got just my standard Apple earbuds. So I'm going to try those too.
Here's the Pop Voice professional lavalier mic displayed on Amazon's webpage. You can see that it is an Amazon's choice for iPhone microphone. It has almost 2,000 ratings and almost 700 answered questions. The price here is $10.99. The other one I'm looking at today is the Fifine metal condenser recording mic for laptop. It is Amazon's choice for USB microphone. It has 1,500 ratings and again almost 700 answered questions. The price here is $29.99.
Pop Voice is the name of the brand. PV610 Plus lavalier microphone. So you can see it's just got the regular jack here. It'll go into the phone. So Pop Voice. This is cool. It comes with the adapter and 3 different microphone covers, I guess. And here it is. It comes with a black cover on it. And you can see if I take my phone, this will plug right in. So I can record on my iPhone, on my laptop. But yeah, it's got a nice little clip here. I can clip it on my shirt, I guess, if I want. So I got this thing clipped on my hoodie here. So the next product is the Fifine Technology microphone. It's got a nice little bookmark here. A user's guide. Some foam. It's packaged nicely here. This is cool. It is a tripod, and my first impression is that this it's like quite heavy. I mean, not heavy, but like yeah, it's got a good feel. It's substantial. Cool. And here's the microphone. You can hear my neighbor. Something like this.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I did this. I just used the voice recorder. So what I did was you can see I've labeled each of the recordings I did. Starting at the bottom, I have the Apple earbuds, and then I did the Beats, the Fifine mic, which was the $30 one, then the Pop Voice, the $10 small mic, and then what I realized was I've labeled this, you see level 100. This is the level that was set as default. What would be it sounds a little buzzy. So you'll see here I've reduced the level to 85 for both the Fifine and the Pop Voice, so I can compare them side by side, and then I test both microphones at 85, level of 85, but at 2 feet away. Okie dokie, I'm using the Apple microphone here on the Apple earbuds.
Okie dokie, I'm using the Beats headphones, the Solo 2 microphone.
Okay, okie dokie, I'm using the Fifine microphone here. Okie dokie, I'm using the Pop Voice microphone. Okay, I'm using the Fifine microphone at a level of 85. Alright, I'm using the Pop Voice microphone at a level of 85 here, 85. Alright, I'm using the Fifine microphone here. I'm about 2 feet away. 2 feet away, maybe 18 inches. This may be good for, if you're having a couple people in a room and you're doing an interview. This mic might be good for that. Alright, I got the Pop Voice mic. It's at the same distance now away, probably 18 inches to 2 feet away from me. Okay, so in the initial recordings, the Fifine mic was pretty buzzy, and that was when I say level 100, that's just what the computer was set at when I plugged these mics and tested them, all of these first 4. And so the way I adjusted it down to 85, and what I mean by that is when I come in here, speakers, and right click, so output would be your speakers, input's your microphone. So under device properties, if I go to additional and then look at levels, you can see I've set my microphone now at 85 instead of 100. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'm using the Fifine microphone at a level of 85. Alright, I'm using the Pop Voice microphone at a level of 85 here, 85. So when comparing these mics, it sounded like to me that the Pop Voice mic had a lot clearer sound, and I'm actually using that mic now. The Fifine mic, I couldn't get it to sound as good as the Pop Voice mic. I did play around with the levels as I showed you to try and optimize the sound for this microphone, but there may be more settings that I just don't know about, or I wonder if this microphone had damage maybe when it was shipped. So my plan at this point is probably to send it back, just because the Pop Voice mic had better sound.